Sunday somehow there's always a lot of like mess, and then the kids literally leave everything in here. Yesterday I went out with Edgar in the night, and somehow there's always dishes. See, all of my containers in there, cups, and we did some breakfast in the morning, and now we end up with all this. So if you're interested on getting any motivation, cleaning motivation, then just keep watching. Lately, I've been so obsessed with that music. Oscar, my son, introduced that music to me, and ever since I've listened to it, oh my God, I'm like super obsessed. It's such calming music, and even when you're stressed out, if you listen to that music, like it gives you such a serenity. But I'm gonna start by picking up everything that I have on that table. That table literally needs to be repainted, and we have to do something about it because it's really, really damaged. I know that you guys can't see it in here because somehow the lighting that I was using, it was super, super light. And you guys can't tell that much how messy that table is, but there's a lot of damage in it. We've been painting in it, and a lot of the color have been coming out, so I need to redo it. And I'm going to put all the dishes away from out of the sink so I can start prepping the sink, and that way I can start washing them. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't use the dishwasher that often. I do use it just because we have to use it, otherwise it will go bad and then it will smell. And I'll try to use it like once or twice a week. But when I have this many dishes, I like to wash them by hand. And it's kind of like I like to put them in sections as well. Because if I do them like that, then I can start washing the silverware, which it's one of the things that I hate the most on the dishes, the little items. So if I'm out with the silverware first, and then I can go cups, bowls, plates, and then the large dishes, then I'll be happy. And I have a lot of dishes, even though, like I said, that we do meal prepping. Somehow we've got carried away, and then the kids will wash their containers, but they will still leave them on the sink, and they don't put them away right away. So that's one of the things that they have to work on. And I will be cleaning the sink twice just because I had all the dishes in here, and I kind of have to disinfect the sink before putting the water. And I was trying to put this smelly little balls into the garbage disposal. I was having so much trouble, but I did it. So because it was kind of smelly with all the food that it was from the plates, and I had to take it out. And you guys can see in here that I do fill out one of the areas of the sink with water, soap, and I put Clorox in it. And I am going to be taking out all the food away from the silverware and start putting it in the soapy water. That way I can start washing them. And since Valentine's is almost over, and I didn't had my bottom part to put it on the bottom of the dish rack, I'm gonna be using that one that I had on the stove, which it's from Valentine's. And it's crazy. I was going to take all my Valentine's decorations away, but I think I'm gonna keep it for a few more days since they are really pretty. And I know I didn't do any walk through the house with the Valentine's decorations, but you'll see a little bit in here how I did decorate it. I didn't do that much just because I didn't had a lot, and most of the items that I used were the ones that I DIY, and I have a video on that. If you guys want to go and check it out, I'm going to link it down below and also in the iCards in case you want to go and see for the next year, because Valentine's is over. And I'm just going to continue washing the dishes. Like I said, I had so many dishes in this day that I had to wash the ones that were in the sink first. And once I was done with that, I started taking everything away from like the island. I did left the dishes rinsing out a little bit until I put everything away. And I'm gonna be cleaning this island so that way by the time I am drying them, I can put them in here and then putting them away. Usually when I do wash the dishes like this and clean like this, I like to dry the dishes and put them away and literally have the sink clear. So that way I can actually say that I did clean the kitchen. Now throughout all this video, you'll be seeing me that I am using the Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner spray. This is in the lavender and argan oil scent. It smells super, super delicious. Like, it says it all in here, clean and chill. It smells so fresh. And then I'm just going to be cleaning and drying out my dishes. This is almost the last pile of dishes to put away. And I do try to clean before Sunday since we do meal plans throughout the whole week. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks already and the kids love it so much, and it just saves so much time in throughout the whole week, especially if you have a busy week with your kids or practices or work. Doing meal plans, you're set for the whole week and you don't have to cook other than in the mornings, which it's the only time that I do cook, on the mornings and Saturdays and Sundays. I also do have a video on that. I am doing my meal plans and I upload a video. I share with you guys a video on how I do my meal plans in case you guys want to have some ideas or get some ideas on how to do meal plans or meal prep. Go and check it out. I am gonna link it down below and also in the iCards. I'm going to continue cleaning out the granite, all the countertops and the stove. And on this one, I've been using the sprayed on the Bar Keeper Friend, but on this stove, I like to use the liquid one, which it's much better in here than the spray. I do love the spray, not the smell, but love what it does when it's cleaning. But for the stove, I like to use the liquid one. And now I have to take all these rags into the washer because now I don't have any. And this is my second time washing the sink. Again, once I was done using it, I will be cleaning it out, which it only lasts a few minutes clean, guys. Literally. You guys will see at the end what I'm talking about. But I love to use also the Bar Keeper's Friend, the liquid one. Gives it a really shiny look. And I do clean it and then dry it at the end. I try to also wash and clean the faucet with the same product, or at least the excess that it stayed in the sponge, and dry it out with just the napkin. For the stainless steel items in here, which I have my stove, my microwave, the dishwasher, and the fridge, I love to use the Wayman product. I use the wipes, but I don't like those. They have so much product in it, so that's why I always end up using the spray, which I've tried to use DIYs and none of them have worked. I've tried the vinegar with water and with soap, dish soap, and other DIYs, which I like to use DIYs, but sometimes they just really don't work and you have to end up using the products from the store. If you have any ideas or any suggestions on what DIYs to use on stainless steel, leave them down below. And then this is what I was talking about, guys. I really wanted to take all my decorations away and start fresh so I can start putting all my spring decorations. But I love this decoration so much that I can stay a few more days with it. Or what do you think? If you're new to the channel, welcome. I am really happy you are here. My name is Ana and I am a boy's mom. I have 4 boys from 10, 14, 15, and 16. And if you love to see a lot of cleaning motivation videos, lifestyle, or anything mom related, you will love the content that I have in here for you guys. So I suggest for you guys to subscribe to the channel. I would love for you to be part of my little squad in here. And if you do, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload videos, because I don't have a schedule yet. Working on that. Also, if you are new to the channel, leave your comment down below so I can get to know you. If you made it to the end of the video, leave me your comment. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found this motivation for your morning Sunday or for any other day where you see this video. Don't forget to leave me your comment, and like I said, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and leave me a like if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. This is my reality. My sink didn't even made it to the full hour. 15 minutes later. And who wash it? They're gonna come downstairs and wash it.